Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to be sure you know to beware of emulsifiers. This notoriously common class of food additives are raising major alarms. A slew of recent reports have indicated that emulsifiers radically alter gut bacteria and interfere with the integrity of the intestinal lining. If the gut lining is disrupted, it becomes more prone to inflammation and leakiness. This leads to full body inflammation as the contents within the intestine, particularly parts of gut bacteria and food particles, make their way into the bloodstream. These deleterious alterations can foster a wide range of diseases, including colon cancer, colitis, weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Currently, the emulsifiers noted as especially concerning include lecithin, polysorbate 80, often called PS80, carboxymethylcellulose, also called CMC, carrageenan, and maltodextrin. However, scientists are concerned that gut inflammation and leakiness could be a class effect across all the various emulsifiers used in processed foods. So be aware. There are many others in use, likely about 30. The safest and easiest course of action, of course, is to simply stay away from processed foods and eat real foods, as these chemical emulsifiers are only found in processed foods. Please help me get the word out on these concerning compounds by sharing this video with your friends and loved ones. After all, one of the greatest gifts we can give is the gift of better health. Thank you.